It's been a year since we developed the production facility for Sonnen here in South Australia. In that time, we've grown demand for the Sonnen battery. We have developed a broader team across Australia, and we've started to build the German-designed and Australian-made product for export into other markets. The investment in Australia has been focused on building a production facility, warehousing and shipping, building a call centre in South Australia. But not only that, we've actually built a sales support team across the country to better support our customers and partners Australia-wide.
The growth and demand for energy storage is here, and Sonnen are proud to be part of it. Over the last 12 months, we have increased the capability of our facility. We've increased the capability of our team and brought more people in. We've also introduced new test equipment to allow our product to be built to a higher quality standard. Also starting to source local components and using local suppliers, meaning we're bringing other people on this journey with us.
Sonnen has started to export batteries outside of Australia. From right here in Elizabeth, we're actually packing containers and shipping them across the Tasman to New Zealand. And who knows, over the next 24 months, parts of Southeast Asia and Japan might be next.
Recently we celebrated building our 1000th system, which was a great milestone for the team. And having that certified to Australian made was a really exciting achievement. Probably the most proud moment I have is that we can have that mark on our product. Buying Australian made batteries means we're continuing the legacy of advanced manufacturing in the state, and I'm really excited about the growth and the potential of this industry and what we can deliver.
For us, it's about delivering high quality energy storage devices to end users in Australia so that they can gain the benefits of energy independence, and we will continue to invest to ensure that we are building and delivering those products to the Australian market.